If you learn how to master plugging a hole without filling, to look much better. You have to cut the woods for the plug, not from an end grain but from a side grain to match the color of what you are plugging. Look on these plugs. This is a plug right here, and this is one here. If you notice, I match this dark line with this plug. Here's the round plug, and I match this dark line. Here are two others. See it? This is one. Can barely see it. And this is the other. There you go. I'm going to do this one next. This plug. I'm trying to match this one. No. Don't look like I got this one properly. Maybe I have to cut another one. And then this one. No. I have to cut a clearer one for this. And this streak here doesn't match for this one. I'll have to cut another one. This is the other one that I punched now. Tell me what you think about this one. Think this one matches? I haven't put it in yet, but seems to be a closer match. Think I'll use that one for this. Think I'm going to use that one for this one. I think that should be fine after sanding. Here we go. I think that's blending fine enough, and I can see it a bit. And these two, you have to look very closely to see these two. You can't even spot them from the camera. These two are as well. Let's see how they show up on the put on some sealer. Let it dry and see. Let's these two has disappeared. Let's see how this one fares out. You have to go very close to see them. And maybe I'll do a video to show how I make these crown. I'm not finished sanding as yet. But I think this is better than driving nails or putting in screw and putting filler, dusting it.